Hey guys, Mike's Gettin Greasy Garage, and yeah, that is an LS oil pump. There's the gears and the front or the cover to it. Here's the housing. No real scoring. This is the pump off of the Turbo LS that I've had. Nothing but problems getting oil pressure in this motor. And, well, I figured it out. So, new oil pump. It was an eBay thing. I've talked about it before. It's a says M295, which would be milling, but I do not recall. Well, it's got that on there. Maybe it is milling. I don't know. I know it came from eBay, but it's been too long ago and I couldn't find where it came from. But this plug goes right here. This is the oil pressure bypass. And there should be a piston in there and a spring. And then the plug goes on, compresses the spring for when it overpressures, it can bleed off. Well, there's no piston and no spring. And yeah, those marks I put on there. I'm not going to use this pump anyway. I have another 295. That is a known good pump. This was in a box as a kit, so I have to believe it is Chinesium copy. But again, I really don't believe that this is a milling pump. Never had problems with milling pumps before. But it is certainly, at the very least, a copy. But nothing wrong with the housing or the gears or impellers or gerotors or whatever the hell they're called. The thing was just internally bypassing. So that's what I found. I mean, I've had several people commented on the last video that pump wouldn't not pump and blah 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 blah. And with the piston and spring missing in that bypass, I think it just goes around in a circle. So yeah, I didn't expect to find that, so I didn't even start the camera until after I got it apart and found that. I don't know what the answer is. Maybe to even take your oil pump apart and inspect it before you put it on. But either way, it's caused a lot of headaches for me. And I just found it hard to believe that there was a problem with an oil pump. But I guess there's a first time for everything. Yeah, see, there's no piston in there. It just literally runs. Let's see if I can hold this and hold the camera at the same time. And we'll stick. There we go. As you can see, that's a Sharpie marker. There's no piston in there. There's nothing in there. So, yeah, I'm as baffled as anybody is going to be when they see this video. And I think from here on out, every single part I get, I'm going to take it apart and check everything before I put it on. There's some things you just can't take apart, but if I can, I will. This is an anomaly. No matter who made the pump, there's obviously parts missing. So, yeah, I just thought you guys might want to see what I found. And I found missing parts. So, hard to pump oil when there's parts missing. So, anyway, guys, that's enough out of me on this. And I'll get the other pump on that motor and get this stinking thing back in the truck and finally get it running. It should run really good. So, yeah, the shop's a mess. There's a video coming up explaining the mess and why I haven't done a lot of videos lately. So, and yeah, I was out here eating my lunch. Hot dogs. So, alright, guys. Well, that's it for this one. And thanks for watching. Thanks for supporting the channel. Stay greasy, my friends. Oh, yeah, and if you would, hit the thumbs up. It helps out the algorithm with YouTube and all that good stuff. Like, share, comment, subscribe. All of that. See ya.